Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 28 July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Hepatitis Day is observed every year on. Answer is 28 July. World Health Organization is observed on 28 July every year as World Hepatitis Day to enhance awareness of viral hepatitis. It's time to act is the theme for World Hepatitis Day 2024. The date of 28 July was chosen because it is the birthday of Nobel Prize-winning scientist Dr. Baruch Blumberg, who discovered the hepatitis B virus, HBV, and developed a diagnostic test and vaccine for the virus. Question number 2. World Nature Conservation Day is marked every year on. Answer is 28 July. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28 July every year to raise awareness about protecting nature and adopting best practices for conserving our natural resources. The theme for World Nature Conservation Day 2024 is Connecting People and Plants, Exploring Digital Innovation in Wildlife Conservation. World Nature Conservation Day was formally established in 1972 during the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in Sweden. Question number 3. Moidams, from which state, has become India's 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is Assam. On 26 July 2024, the Moidams of Assam, the mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty, have been included in the cultural category of the UNESCO World Heritage Site list. It is the 43rd site in India, was included in UNESCO's World Heritage Site list. Italy has the most sites on the UNESCO World Heritage list, with 59, followed by China, with 57 sites. India is 6th with 43 sites. Question number 4. India's first medical institutional museum will be established in. Answer is Chandigarh. The Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, PGIMER, has announced to establish a medical institutional museum within the Medical Institute dedicated to chronicling its illustrious history and contributions to medical science. This institute in Chandigarh claimed it to be India's first medical institutional museum. According to the PGI, this project honors the vision of late Sardar Pratap Singh Caro, the then Chief Minister of Punjab. Question number 5. What is the mascot of 2024 Paris Summer Olympics? Answer is Frige. The 2024 Paris Olympics mascot is Frige. It is designed on the traditional French Phrygian hat that represents the symbols of freedom and the French Republic. Alone we go faster, but together we go further, is the motto of the Paris Olympics and the Paralympic Games. The 33rd Summer Olympics opened with a first-of-its-kind opening ceremony in the French capital city of Paris on 26 July 2024. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the new DGP of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer is H. Singh Dhaliwal. The Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, on 25 July, appointed Senior IPS Officer Hargobinder Singh Dhaliwal as the new Director General of Police, DGP, of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Prior to his new role, Dhaliwal, a 1997 batch IPS officer, served as the Special Commissioner of Police in New Delhi, overseeing Traffic Zone 2. Meanwhile, incumbent DGP Devesh Chandra Srivastava has been transferred to New Delhi. Question number 7. Which space agency has announced the discovery of sulfur on Mars? Answer is NASA. NASA's Curiosity rover has made a groundbreaking discovery on Mars by uncovering pure sulfur after driving over and cracking open a rock. Previously, Curiosity had detected sulfur on Mars, but only mixed with other minerals like magnesium and calcium. The discovery of pure sulfur, which forms under specific conditions, had not been observed in the rover's current location. Question number 8. Which state has made all its villages Lal Dora-free? Answer is Haryana. All villages of Haryana have been made Lal Dora-free. The state government launched a scheme to make villages Lal Dora-free on Good Governance Day on 25 December 2019. It is a reformative step towards the establishment of clear ownership of property in rural inhabited areas by mapping land parcels using drone technology and providing a record of rights to village household owners with the issuance of legal ownership cards. Question number 9. How many $1 million will India donate to UNESCO World Heritage Center? Answer is $1 million. India will allocate $1 million to the UNESCO World Heritage Center to support the conservation and development of World Heritage sites, especially in the Global South. The announcement was made by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the opening of the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Question number 10. Which cricketer signed an agreement with Fancode Shop to launch his own brand? Answer is Hardik Pandya. Cricketer Hardik Pandya has partnered with sports merchandising company Fancode Shop to launch his sportswear brand. As part of the deal, Fancode Shop will design, manufacture, and market the products under the Hardik Pandya brand name in a revenue-sharing partnership. The initial product lineup includes t-shirts, vests, polos, shorts, and jackets, with prices ranging from 999 rupees to 2,299 rupees. Question number 11. Union Home Ministry allocated how much amount to create the Bharatiya Bhasha Anubhag platform? Answer is 56 crore rupees. The Union Home Ministry has allocated 56 crore rupees to create the Bharatiya Bhasha Anubhag platform. This initiative aims to facilitate translations between Hindi and other Indian languages. It will bridge communication gaps between government officials using Hindi and individuals proficient in other Indian languages. According to the Official Languages Act, 1963, Hindi and English language are used between ministries and state governments. Question number 12. What percentage of India's geographical area is under forest cover? Answer is 21.71%. According to Kirti Vardhan Singh, the Union Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the country's total forest cover is 7,13,789 square kilometers or 21.71% of its geographical area. The minister gave this information in the Lok Sabha on 22 July 2024. The maximum forest area in the country was reported in Madhya Pradesh, with 77,493 square kilometers of the state under forest cover, followed by Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.